Hi, I'm Diana Case, and today we're going to look at one of the 2021 released algebra test questions. Let's take a look. So this question was number 2 on the released algebra exam. It says the graph of a linear function is shown on the grid. Which function is best represented by this graph? And we have 4 answers. Each of them starts with g of x. The first thing I would tell you is, while we're testing, we're going to pretend that says y equals. There's a slight difference, but it's not a big enough difference for us to address here while we're testing. We're going to just go ahead and go with y equals. Okay, now let me bring up the Desmos calculator. So what we would do is we would type each of the answers into the calculator. So I press my up arrow here and type in y equals 6x plus 4. And we can see this line is pointing up to the right and our original problem is pointing down to the right. So immediately we know that F is not the correct answer. So now we go on and type in the next answer. Y equals 4x minus 2/3. And that's just 2 divided by 3 to the calculator. And we can see this line is also pointing up to the right. The original line is pointing down to the right. So this isn't our answer. So we go on to answer H. Answer H, we type in y equals negative 3 divided by 2. And here we do have to arrow out because we are on the bottom half of that fraction. If we don't, we kind of get trapped down there. X plus 6. And now we have a line that is pointing down to the right, so it's worth taking a look at. So what I would do is click on specific points. We see it goes through 0, 6, and 4, 0. Notice it's going through 6 on the high end, not on the low end. So let's take a look at our picture. It's going through 4 up here. This one was going through 6 there. This isn't our answer either. That only leaves one answer. We're going to type it in. Again, we're using y equals instead of g of x. So we do y equals negative 2 divided by 3. We're going to have to arrow out of that. X plus 4. And now we see a line that's headed the right direction. And now I'm going to click on a couple of points to compare. And I can see the point 0, 4. That's beautiful because that's 0, 4. And right here I can see the point 6, 0. And that's beautiful because this is the point 6, 0. And this is our answer. Y equals negative 2 over 3x plus 4. Great. So what I'm going to do is hide this now. And there it is. Answer J is the correct answer to this question. Thank you for joining me. I would encourage you to go back over that one and see it a little bit more slowly. I have to get it under 5 minutes for the edit.